All right, guys, we got AMC mini pop as predicted. AMC mini pop as predicted, ladies and gentlemen. AMC mini pop as predicted. This is why yesterday's video I said we could be seeing something here. Could AMC stock actually pull off something unexpected? Mini pop as predicted, ladies and gentlemen. We got this pop right here around 12 o'clock here. Getting this pop to the upside. As you guys can see, AMC holding key levels right now. AMC holding key levels. AMC leading the way, outperforming GameStop. I also want to say shout out to Miss Rhodes. Shout out to Miss Rhodes. Miss Rhodes sent me a $5 super chat. Thank you, Miss Rhodes. I appreciate you. And Meme Stocks Junkie with a 5 gifted as well. Meme Stocks Junkie with a 5 gifted as well. Thank you, Miss Rhodes and Meme Stocks Junkie. Miss Rhodes sent a $5 super chat. Meme Stocks Junkie sent a 5 gifted. Let's go. AMC GME pop as predicted. I talked about this in yesterday's video. Now we need to see if AMC can hold this 297. I told you guys once AMC broke 292, you would see a pop to the upside. In fact, this is exactly what I said would happen in this video. What you're seeing right now is exactly what I called for in my last video. I told you guys AMC would easily go to the levels we
normally a short position would start a short position up top, and then when it goes down, they would close their position. The fact that we're seeing the stock go down and they're shorting even more, 64 or 22.7, liquidity is drying up, and I think the recent days on my live, those as low as possible. So this is what we're looking at for the meme. Buy shares out of the open, price down, and keep liquid. Help GME start to get some momentum. Meme is very undervalued in my personal opinion. They're attacking GME. They do not want GME to come up into this gap though, because if it comes up into this side to about 303, 305, very. So if AMC breaks and holds 292, which I think is going to happen tomorrow, you're going to see a pop to the upside to about 303, 305. Literally called it. I told you guys 303. We would see this pop. And as predicted, we did get this pop. Possible bear flag here forming SPY. Possible bear flag forming SPY. SPY getting that last pop before the drop. SPY getting that last pop before the drop. So if you're in those call options, make sure you take profit. If you're in the call options, make sure you take profit. SPY getting that last pop to drop, like I said. SPY getting that last pop to drop, just like I said. 624, 624. Call options printed. Call options from the Discord printed. Ladies and gentlemen, anybody who played the call options from my Discord absolutely made fucking bank. Absolutely made bank. Anybody who played the Discord absolutely made bank. Oh my God. So much money.
Join the Discord and learn how to win. Everything going exactly as predicted in yesterday's video. I told you SPY would see a pop to drop. I told you guys SPY would see a pop to drop.
It is going to move up, okay? I want to make that very clear. I think SPY and NASDAQ are going to see one more pop to the upside and then pull back hard. Okay?
Ladies and gentlemen, he is a prophet. He is a prophet. He is a prophet. Do you hear what he says? Everything he says comes to fruition. Everything he says comes to fruition. NASDAQ and SPY pop to drop. Make sure you like and subscribe right now for the best technical analysis you will find on YouTube, ladies and gentlemen. You will find technicals like this nowhere else. We also called out a play in the Discord which absolutely printed. If you are in the Discord, you can make some money. Discord is $100 for a lifetime invite. Hit me up via Instagram or email. We be getting the money, we be getting the cash, we be getting the money, we be getting the bag. Hey, 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 hey. Shout out Meme Stocks Junkie and Miss Roseman for the super chat and 5 gifted. Hey. 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 We the best. Money over everything. We the best, baby, yeah. And now meme stock's about to pop off. As predicted, baby. I told you guys we'll come back. I told you guys we'll come back. It's not over till it's over, baby. Mini pop, as predicted, bitch. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, let me, all right, I need to change this, and then let's go, let's edit this, and I want to take out, so first of all, let's do this. Screenshots. Copy. Paste. And this one is unexpected. Rename this. Edit. Unexpected. So this would be a called it live. Unexpected live. Okay. All right, GME currently at 2307, AMC at 297. We want to see AMC hold 297. Want to see GameStop push back over 2315. So maybe now when DZ calls for the mini pop, you'll believe it. Bitcoin also at 109.2 and Ethereum pushing up. So crypto is making moves. Crypto is making moves today. Let's go. Bulk is down 10% though. XLM up 10%. XRP up 3%. Let's go. Polygon up 7%. Altcoin season could be coming. GameStop, AMC outperforming GameStop. AMC up 3%, $2.99. AMC up 3%, $2.99, ladies and gentlemen. AMC outperforming GameStop as predicted. Hey, yo, check this out. I called for this
we
rally
do have a gap fill
in
at
yesterday's
294
video.
to 295, and then at 296 all the way to 303. So if AMC breaks and holds 292, which I think is going to happen tomorrow, you're going to see a pop to the upside to about 303, 305 very, very easily. Now, this is obviously bad news for the shorts.
And ladies and gentlemen, what happened? Let's show you. AMC broke over the 292 level of support and popped right to 303 as predicted, and now is making a bull flag and is outperforming GameStop as predicted. Make sure you like and subscribe for the most accurate technical analysis predictions on the YouTube. I also called out SPY as well. SPY is tracking. SPY popped to the upside to drop. We played SPY calls in the Discord, absolutely printed. GameStop also pushing up as well, but AMC outperforming. AMC $2.99 up 3%, GameStop up 1.30. Let's go. Like and subscribe for the best stock and crypto predictions. gentlemen, Island of Doctor with the 10 piece. Let's go. Hey, SPY pushing up a little bit. Hey, SPY pushing up a little bit here. Watch out, SPY could pop a little bit higher before dropping. SPY could pop a little bit higher before dropping. Take profit on them calls. This could be your last chance. One more pop to drop for SPY. Now, Bitcoin and a GameStop tracking together right now. As you can see, Bitcoin pushing up, GameStop pushing up. Could they be tracking together? Let's find out. And then AMC about to go to $3. Let's go. My shit real. My chain real, my necklace real. Ladies and gentlemen, we popping off. We are popping off, bro. AMC $3. AMC $3. Here we go. This is what we like to see. This is what we like to do. We got 5 members. We got 5 brand new members. Yeah. Popping off as predicted. You know what it is. Stay on our grind and our grizz. Forever remaining. And Bitcoin popping up. Yo, if Bitcoin breaks 109.5, you could see something. If Bitcoin breaks 109.5, you could see something. Oh my God, what a beautiful day. First of all, my call options came exactly to 624 as predicted, first of all. Oh my God, so much money to be made. Next, Bitcoin goes berserk. And now AMC and GME up. Let's go. AMC outperforming GameStop too. I told you guys this would happen. Nobody believed me. Nobody believed me AMC would outperform GameStop. Why do my words come to fruition like a prophet, bro? Why do my words come to fruition like a prophet? Words come to fruition like a prophet. Words come to fruition like a prophet. Yeah. I'm ready to see AMC break over 303 and hold. A couple of GME maxis unsubscribed yesterday because I said AMC will outperform. But listen, I just tell you guys the truth. I just tell you guys the truth. I just tell the truth before a couple haters load up the shells and shoot. Yes, AMC $3 now. Let's go. So the next major level will be 3. We want to break 3. That's our next major level. And the next major level for a GameStop is going to be 23.15. Oh, we made so much money off of SPY calls. We made so much money off of SPY calls. I called that out. So much money. Shit, I might go back. Dude, I might go back to trading, brother. But I like having multiple income streams. I like making money off of assets. I like making money off of stocks. I like making money off of YouTube. I like making money off of Discord. I like making money off of selling my merch. So me personally, I'm just gonna keep doing all of it. But if you look in the Discord, the SPY call options play printed so fucking hard. Yeah, SPY's about to pull back. SPY's about to pull back. SPY's about to pull back. This is a false break to the upside. Dude, I bought calls. I bought calls down here. I sold them yesterday. But ladies and gentlemen, if you held to my price target, which I gave in the Discord, 624, brother, you made so much bank. You made so much bank. So, I mean, this is why I'm rooting for the team. Anybody on DZ fam gets money, though. That's the truth. That's why I get so many super chats. People be like, oh, how you get so many super chats? How you get so many super chats? It's because DZ fam makes so much money. Do you understand? Bitcoin up 1%. Ethereum up almost 5%. Ethereum at 2.7K. Altcoin season! Hey, yo, check this out. Bitcoin is only up 1.20%. Bitcoin is only up 1.7%, so 1 percentage point right now, while Ethereum is up almost 5%, sitting at 2.7K. Also, we're seeing gains across the board. XLM up 12.7% right now. XRP up 3.2%. We are seeing gains across the board as meme coins fall. Could altcoin season be coming as predicted, ladies and gentlemen? I've been telling you, XRP is setting up for a big move. So I have this fractal for BTC showing that we will reject down and then get a pump to the upside, which could bring in altcoin season. Last time we had major altcoin seasons were here and here. This is after large rallies and then Bitcoin consolidated. Look what's happening now. Large rally and we're having a potential consolidation. We are also starting to see altcoins slightly outperform BTC as Bitcoin begins to range. This is the early signs of an altcoin season. Trust me, I've been in the game since 2020, 2019. Now I need to check Bitcoin dominance to see if it's going down at all. And yes, Bitcoin dominance is coming down. It was at 63+%. It is coming down. If you see Ethereum dominance go higher and Bitcoin dominance go lower, that is also a sign of altcoin season. Ladies and gentlemen, altcoin season could be coming soon. Do not slack on crypto. Crypto is the way. Crypto is the way, ladies and gentlemen. All right, SPY pulling back as predicted. Yeah, see, SPY got that pop to drop. Watch out for a pullback on SPY. GameStop also slight pullback here. 23.15 is where we want to see GameStop above. We want to see AMC above $3. Make sure you guys drop those rockets for the meme. Drop those rockets for the memes. And hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that like button and subscribe. You already know what it is. Amy's gonna do it, bro. Amy's gonna break 3. We just need to drop rockets. Everything. I wear brand new everything. I wear brand new everything. Yeah. Love to see it, baby. Love to see it. Love to see it. Kai Supreme. We got to get Kai Supreme a membership. Somebody get Kai Supreme a membership. Somebody get Kai Supreme a membership. As soon as I see Kai Supreme's name regular, bro, I know something wrong has happened. XRP finna take off. I've been trying to tell people. I've been trying to tell people about XRP. I've been trying to tell people. Last time XRP ran, I called it. Before this happened, I called it. And now I'm calling for another move. Been trying to tell people about XRP. Adidas. And ain't that many pop, baby! Yeah, if you hold a bunch of shares like me, 8 cents gives you thousands of dollars. I know not everybody can afford thousands of shares like me, but 8 cents is the difference between thousands of dollars for whales. Let's not forget I also called SPY and NASDAQ perfectly, by the way. Let's not forget. SPY's getting ready to pull back. All-time high! Let's go! Pump it! All-time high. Thank you for the gifted membership. Looks like we might get a little bit pullback on the memes. All-time high with another one. Kai Supreme. Kai Supreme has just been gifted by all-time high. It pays to be loved in the DataZero fam. The fam got each other's back. I love to see it. I love to see it. Michael Kors all on my wrist. These shorts are so comfortable, bruh. Oh my god, these shorts are superior comfort. Alright guys, we are seeing a little bit of pullback for the memes, but that's okay. Never fear. When in doubt, Datazero is here. I'll tell you what's going to happen before it happens. I think AMC might come back down for a slight retest here. I don't think we're going back below 292 though, so I don't see a problem with that. And then that should push us up for $3 by the end of the week. And we're going to get the green week that I predicted. We're already on track for the green week that I predicted for. You guys can see we're already green. Well, we're going green right now. Bullish hammer candle for the weekly time frame. So AMC, I'm telling you guys, SPY is going to start pulling back. And AMC is going to start going up. I'm telling you guys. Watch. SPY, bro, I know what's going to happen before it happens. SPY is going to pull back. And AMC is going to pop. And I think AMC might rally before GameStop. Believe it or not. And from what we've seen, AMC is going to lead the way. Normally, it's always GameStop that leads the way. It looks like AMC is going to lead the way this time.
JK, really? Eskimos.
What I really want to see is just AMC hold like 295, 294. Yeah, I got the insider reports. You know what? SPY might try to pull a fast one here and push a little bit higher. SPY's actually, I'm going to have to flip it up. SPY's actually looking bullish here. I knew I should have called for a slight red week. I knew I should have called for a slight red. That's what I was literally going to say, a slight red. But I think we could still get this green. We're only down 0.38.
JK, really?
AMC's on track. GameStop, AMC, SPY just needs to go up a little bit higher. SPY's going to pull back to next week, though, I do believe, in my personal opinion.
I think altcoin season might be coming, bro, because altcoins are going nutty. I have to check my portfolio real quick. AMC, the star of the show today, man. I love it. Love it when AMC could be the star of the show. Yeah, we got a 5% change on my portfolio. 5% increase. Holy cow. On the entire portfolio. Yo, shout out all-time high, meme stocks junkie, Miss Roadman. Islands of Doctors, meme stock junkie, and all-time high, and Miss Roadman. Shout out to all of you for the super chats and support. Thank you, Island, for the 10-piece. I love life. I love life now. I love life now. Living life now. Hey yo, check this out. Bitcoin is only up 1.7%, so 1 percentage point right now. While Ethereum is up almost 5%, sitting at 2.7K. Also, we're seeing gain. A lot of people are starting to learn about crypto. I see a lot of you guys getting into crypto. And you're making money. I tried to tell you guys crypto was the way. It's so much better than stocks. It's so much better. And you make so much more money. And it's so much less manipulated. It's still manipulated, but not nearly as much at all. Interest. Holy cow. $15% short interest now, guys. Hey, yo, guys, check this out. Short interest is increasing while price is going up. I talked about this in yesterday's video. This puts the shorts in a very bad position. If AMC's price continues to go up and they keep shorting, this could cause the dreaded short squeeze that they have been trying to avoid for years. Keep an eye on AMC short interest and cost to borrow. If you see cost to borrow increase or FTDs return, that is more bad news for the shorts. Ladies and gentlemen, something is brewing in the background. Patience is what we need. I talked about this in yesterday's video if the short interest keeps going up, and that's exactly what we're seeing, dude. I'm telling you, something is popping off in the background, guys. It's just that we can't see it. We're not privileged to this information. Thank you, Freddy's Gym. I appreciate it. Thank you, Freddy's Gym. I appreciate it. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. We got 280 in the building. We got 180 in the building right now. We got 180 in the building right now. 69 likes, 7 brand new members. We're popping off today. If Bitcoin hits, it would have to go over 109.5. That's the key level. All right, right now AMC at $295, GameStop $22.99. GameStop, we want to see break back above $23.15. SPY, we got to see if that 5-minute turns red. It looks like it might push up and then pull back in the close. So like a slight push up to pull back. Still kind of looks like a bear flag. This still looks like a bear flag. This still looks like a bear flag. So you could easily see SPY just come up a little bit just to drop down. Like a slight pop up to pull back easily. This is a bear flag. This is a bear flag 100%. Oh, here we go, GameStop. Here we go. Here we go. Nice, nice. Nice, 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 nice.
Nice, GameStop. GameStop trying to close the gap between Amy a little bit. I don't think I realized the amount of people that I helped on a daily basis. A lot of you guys have been showing me a lot of love, man. I truly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for everything. I need your support. I love your support. It's necessary for the continuation and survival. I literally said this was going to happen in yesterday's video. That's why I said something unexpected. Nobody expected this but DZ fam.
Hey, sad boys.
That's what the haters don't understand. That's what the haters don't understand. I get so many super chats because the DZ fam makes money. The haters just be like, oh, you're giving them all your money. You're giving them all your money. The haters don't understand we're making money together, you stupid haters. That's what we do. We have fun and make money. Stop hating and you could do the same. That's why I said get with it or get left behind. DZ fam's going to the top, bro. That's all I know. Anybody who has followed me and got to know me over these years, bro, they know that I'm a go-getter. I'm a grinder. I never stay stagnant. I'm going to keep improving. And anybody who's following me, I'm taking you with me. I have the knowledge, the experience, and the determination necessary to make it. I've been in stock since 2016. I've been in crypto since 2019. I've been doing this shit. GameStop looking a little jumpy here. Bitcoin trying to break 109.5. If Bitcoin could break and hold 109.5, you're going to see not only Bitcoin pop off, but altcoins pop off. If Bitcoin can break and hold 109.5, you're gonna see not only Bitcoin pop off, but you're gonna see altcoins go crazy because altcoins are already going crazy. So if Bitcoin breaks 109 and starts to rally, bro, it's gonna bring altcoin season. XLM up 12%, ladies and gentlemen. XLM up 12%. XRP also up 3%. I told everyone about XRP. XRP is about to make a major move. So we want to see GameStop break 23.15. If GameStop can break and hold that, you're going to see a nice move up. SPY bear flag in play. I think SPY's going to drop down like the last 15 minutes. Yeah, SPY's gonna pull back in the close and slash tomorrow. Yo, Bitcoin's above 109. What is happening? Bitcoin's above 109. It's defying my prediction and everything. It might even go against the fractal, which would be insane. Altcoin season might be coming sooner than expected. Altcoin season might be coming sooner than expected. The fractal still says we have time to reject, though.
If Bitcoin could somehow hold above 109.5K, if we could hold this as support, we will push for that 115. But the fractal's been tracking so perfectly, I don't think it's going to decouple. It's been tracking too perfectly. Look at this. It came up, and then it bounced down, and then it came up again, just like the fractal said. It's been tracking so good. This might just all be part of the plan. I think altcoin season's coming, but what if it comes early? I won't be mad. I'll be happy. This is the last chance for SPY calls to exit. We made so much money off SPY calls this week. Congratulations to anybody who played along with the Discord trade, the trade I made as well. Congratulations to anybody who played along and made a bag. DZ got keys, baby. I got the keys. If you want the truth, come to me. All right, so check this out, guys. I always have to expose the haters. We always have to expose the haters and make them feel stupid in front of everybody. So I said, could AMC actually pull off something unexpected? And let's see what the haters have to say. Let's see here. No, it can't. Okay? It said no, it can't. It did exactly what I said it would do. And this guy's not going to be ready for what comes next because he doesn't listen. It's not, bro, it's people get mad at me. People get mad at me. People get mad at me because I tell the truth. This is how you know people are too emotional. This is how you know people are too emotional. They get mad at somebody when they tell the truth. And when when you tell the truth to somebody and they get mad, that's when you have to ask yourself, that's when you have to know that, hey, that person's just delusional. When you tell the truth and someone else gets mad because you told the truth and you were right, that person's delusional. They're in an echo bubble.
Let's skip this one.
Hey, yo, fam, what is up? You are back for another...
Bro is delusional. He's delusional. Look at this. Bro said, I've lost track on how many times you've been wrong. I have to post this now. I've lost track on how many times you've been wrong. I literally called it to... You're delusional, dude. You are literally delusional. You said I'm wrong. I called it to the T. This is why I don't listen to haters. People be like, oh, you don't listen to haters. You don't listen to critical. You don't listen to any constructive criticism. It's not constructive criticism when these people are just dead wrong and stupid. Bro said I was dead wrong, and he's literally dead wrong live in front of 100 people, getting proved that he was dead wrong live in front of 100 people. All right, now we got AMC pull it back down to 292. Gonna hold that level. AMC still up 1% of the day. GameStop up 2301. I'm sure they're dumping short shares, and as you guys can see, an hour ago they dumped 300,000 short shares here on AMC. So right when we started to pull back an hour ago, right here they dumped 300,000 on AMC. And they dumped on GameStop as well. So right here, they dumped 300,000 right here at this time. So we're recovering from that. We should recover from this. Oh, shit. Bitcoin is pushing. Oh, my God. Yo, what a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Hey, yo, fam, we know we gotta address this, man. Hey, yo, family, you know I gotta address this, man. We got some haters in the comments. We about to point them out and let them know that the whole world sees that they wrong. And if you go against me, you're gonna look like a fool in front of so many people. Over 100 people on my live stream seeing this, and everybody on this video is about to see this, and everybody in the comments of the last video is about to see this. Thousands of people are seeing this. So check this out. So I made a little video saying, and I knew this would trigger some people, could AMC stock actually pull off something unexpected? And I knew this would trigger some people. So I had to make this little bit of post, you know what I mean? This guy's like, no, it can't. Also, you've been wrong, blah, 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 blah. Let's see here. Let's see. I called for AMC to go to 292, and then after that, pop to 303 very quickly. I said that in yesterday's video. As you guys can see, right there's 292 support and resistance. What happened as soon as we broke it? Oh, we went to 303 very quickly. Interesting. The only reason we're pulling back now is because they dumped 300,000 short shares, which we will recover from. And I'm about to explain what's going to happen next. This is why you want to follow me, because I know exactly what's going to happen before it happens. I also said AMC would outperform GameStop. Let's see. AMC is outperforming GameStop. Wow. Interesting. Bitcoin at 110. Bitcoin at 110. Bitcoin at 110. Hey, yo, fam, what is up? You are back for another video with Datazero. This is your daily outlook prediction for stocks and crypto. This video is not financial advice. You guys, if we broke above 292 and held that level, we could see a decent pop to the upside. And I think that's going to be happening tomorrow, as we do have a gap fill at 294 to 295, and then at 296 all the way to 303. So if AMC breaks and holds 292, which I think is going to happen tomorrow, you're going to see a pop to the upside to about 303, 305 very, very easily. Now, this is yesterday's video. This is how you know those guys wrote comments without even watching my video. Because if they watched my video, they would have seen right in the beginning that exactly what I said happened. And I said this would happen tomorrow, which is today. We would break up over 292 and go to 303 very quickly. Ladies and gentlemen, like and subscribe for the best technical analysis predictions. And this is why I just can't take the haters seriously. People are like, oh, you don't take constructive criticism. It's not constructive criticism when people are just outright wrong. This also guy said, as soon as he mentioned Volkswagen, I turned the video off. Bro, you still watch the video, still got me paid, and AMC and GME are more like Volkswagen than you could ever know, which I have broken down in many, many videos. So I have over 9 years experience in the stock market, over 5 years experience in the crypto market, and you got these nobodies with no followers trying to tell me how to do my job. Ladies and gentlemen, DZ has the keys. DZ has the keys. And we got to point out these clowns in the comments. Like and subscribe for more stock and crypto predictions. The very best. And I'm going to keep shitting on these haters every time I get a chance, bro. I'm going to keep flexing on these haters every time I get a chance, man. Shit on them every time I get a chance. DZ haters in shambles as DataZero humbles haters with spot-on prediction for AMC, GME, and SPY. Humbles, I'm going to put humiliates. DZ humiliates haters. DZ haters in shambles as DataZero humiliates haters with spot on prediction for AMC, GME, and SPY. Oh, DataZero knows. He knows. He knows. He knows. I don't listen to the haters, bro. XRP 240. My bags are pumping. I told you a pump for XRP was coming. More accurate predictions. More accurate predictions from DataZero. Epstein cover-up. Of course there's an Epstein cover-up. I told you guys XRP was about to pop off. XRP could be setting up for a legendary move.
Check it out.
I tried to tell everybody, bro. I tried to tell everybody about crypto, but they don't want to listen. Now our bags are pumping. The market's about to fall. Crypto's about to fly. Oh, life is so good, dude. Life is so good. My bags are pumping. My haters are being humiliated. And AMC and GME are up on the day. I love life right now. I truly love life right now. My haters are being humiliated. My predictions are spot on. My bags are pumping. Oh my God. We have how many new members for today? I gotta play a Power Hour commercial. We have 7 brand new members, multiple super chats. Bro, life is too good. Life is too good. I made money off SPY calls this week. Thank you, God, bro. I love God and I love DataZero family. Thank you for everything, y'all. You guys mean everything to me. Sure, black. GameStop $22.99, AMC $293, SPY $623.62. SPY's gonna pull back into close. Not financial advice. Last 15 minutes. XRP's at $2.40. Bitcoin's at 110.03. Holy shit. No wonder people hate me. They're like, oh, he made money off spy calls. He made money off Discord. He made money off live stream. He's making so much money every day. XRP's up 3.6%. I make money so many different ways, it's not even funny. Yo, Bitcoin is ripping. Does anyone... Where are all my Bitcoin holders? Seriously. Why is it saying my stream is lagging? Are you guys lagging? Why is it saying my stream's lagging? I have full output. AMC nasty bounce as predicted. Your big bags because you lag. AMC getting a nasty bounce. Go ahead, take a
We in the building, baby. We in the building, baby. We in the building, baby. About to make a killing. See how DZ white lines tracking. Yeah, white lines they be tracking. Yeah, other YouTubers they slacking. They can't do any lines like the king. Other YouTubers cannot do white dotted lines like the king does. White dotted lines be tracking, bro. All you gotta do is trust the dotted lines. I'm a market maker.
You know I love.
Todd the Whale coming in with a 5 gifted. Todd never be doing less than a 5 gifted, bro. That's going to put us at 12 brand new members for the day. Thank you, Todd, for 12 brand new members for the day. Just in time for the AMC and GME bounce. Thank you, Todd, for 12 brand new members. We also got super chats. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. We only been live for like 2 hours today, too. I swear I only been live for like 2 hours, bro. Yeah, we only been live for 2 hours, bro. And we already have 12 brand new members plus super chats. Thank you guys so much. I think we almost got 1,000 views, too. I be forgetting I get paid for views, too. I'm not ending the stream till we get 1,000 views, though. We're only at 842, so we might go a little bit past close. Thank you for the 5 gifted, bro. That really means a lot. Seriously. AMC's about to get a nice pop in the close here. It looks like AMC's going to start heading back towards $2.97, $3 here in the close. Looks like my predictions were spot on again. Funny how people could say I'm wrong in the comments.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're coming into the last few minutes here of the market. We're going to have about 20 minutes, 19 minutes remaining to be exact, 19 minutes remaining to be exact. So we're going to be looking here to see if GameStop and AMC can get this bounce that we're looking for. If we do get this bounce, it's going to be looking good for us. You already know the deal. Things start out slow, and then they start to ramp up. A lot of people really don't understand, and I don't want to hype people up anymore. They get really excited because I'm excited, and I feel that energy. I know that energy wears off on you guys, but I'm excited. I still haven't been able to, like, articulate to you guys the whole process of, like, understanding what's going on in the background when liquidity's drying up, and that's when the price can just take off no matter what. Like, you guys seen it when AMC's ran 28%, it's ran like 30% out of nowhere. Remember the time in after hours it just took off 100% right before the reverse split? So, like, this can happen at any second. And from what I'm seeing here with the short interest going up, that's showing me extreme desperation that they need the stock price down, and they need it down now. Okay? So that's telling me they need the stock price down, and they need it down now. The days to cover spiking up recently let me know that they were in a really bad position just a few days ago. That position is kind of giving them a little bit of breathing room. A little bit of room to work. But if AMC and GameStop's price keep going up, that puts them in an even worse position, because look at all the short volume. You see all this volume here? This was started while AMC's price was lower. So that means they opened short positions down here at like 282, 290. 279. They opened up short positions down here. AMC's going up now. That's a problem. That means they're in the red. That's what you guys have to understand. You have to understand that if they go too deep in the red, the person who loaned them the shares to open up that short position is going to be like, yo, you got to close this, or you got to post collateral. Because you got to remember that a short position, they borrow the shares first. They're supposed to anyways, unless it's a naked short. But they're supposed to borrow the shares first. And you borrow the shares from a lender. Most likely Adam Aaron is the lender. GameStop is fire. GameStop is looking fire right now. 23.15. If we break that, it's on and popping. SPY is perfectly tracking with my prediction here. This bear flag might go a little bit in tomorrow, but most likely the last 15 minutes, and then tomorrow you'll see pullback. I told you guys we're going to see one more pop to the upside here on SPY and NASDAQ before falling. NASDAQ also tracking perfectly with my macro prediction. I'm so good at this, and I don't give a fuck anymore. I don't care if people get offended. I'm going to flex. Yeah, I'm the best, so what? Yeah, I can be wrong sometimes, but I'm right 99.99999% of the time. And don't you forget it. Why is Bitcoin at 11,000? Pump my bags! Altcoin season is coming! Altcoin season is coming! Nah, Todd, they put me on my villain arc, bro. I'm on my villain arc now. It's all over for everybody. They have made me this. They made me become this. This monster. Hold on, I gotta check my portfolio. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got a stock. Brother, crypto's about the moon. I tried to tell everybody XRP was gonna pump. So this stock's making around the top. Oh, hold on. The stock's making around the top. This thing's about to pull back. Watch this. Boom, 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 boom. I need support and resistance. Bro, I did this without support and resistance and nothing. I bet you this tracks, though. I bet you this tracks, bro. I didn't even do support and resistance. I can't be that good, can I? I bet you this tracks. I bet you this tracks. If I'm that good, dude, I'm otherworldly. If I just did that without even putting support and resistance, just looking at the chart for 5 seconds and looking at the price structure. I didn't look at, I looked at RSI, MACD, price structure. Oh my God, bro. And this is going to track. I'm telling you guys, it's going to track. We're going to come back. We need to come back, like a week, a couple days later. What is this? BMA? It's going to be on my list. It's going to pull back, bro, down towards 185, maybe 170. It's going to find support somewhere around there. I'm not sure if it's going to drop down from here or come down all the way down to here. So I'm just going to go like intermediate. So it's going to come down to like 185, 180, maybe low end of 170. But then it should be able to push back up towards $2. Not financial advice. If it breaks and holds $2, you could see a nice pop to the upside. That is BMEA. Bro. I can just look at the price structure. The way the candles move and shit, bro. I'm telling you guys, once you didn't, I've been doing this for 9 years, bro. But every day for 5 years straight. XRP's at 241. I've been doing this every day for 5 years straight. Every single day, looking at the charts and charting and trading some days. Not trading every day straight, but at least at minimum charting. 5 years, since 2020, since I've been doing this YouTube channel. I chart every single day. I wake up in the morning and chart. Every single day. And this is what that has made me into, bruh. And then in the class, I try to break it down. I'm going to have to teach you guys about price structure. Price structure is very important. And that's why I'm glad I waited to make the class, because I know so much more now. If I would have made a class before, it wouldn't have been as good as the one I'm making now, because I know way more now. I had a class done, but it was done on that old setup. I don't know if you guys can see it back there, but I have a whole nother setup that I use when I go on vacation. It's a portable setup that I can take anywhere with me. It's a laptop. Yo, Bitcoin is gone, bro. It's at 11.7. Bitcoin is gone. It's up 3%. I love Bitcoin. I love it. 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 We're going to go for the 115. We're going to go for the 115. I love Bitcoin, dude. I love Bitcoin. I love crypto. Everybody was buying. I told you guys it's going to create supply shock. I told you. This is what happens to Bitcoin all the time. It's about to go on a big-ass bull run. What I say, supply shock, supply shock, supply shock. All of a sudden, Bitcoin, it won't move. This will create price shock, and Bitcoin, supply shock on BTC, and price will pop up. Everyone is stocking up and buying BTC, yet price isn't moving. This will create ply shock, which happens a lot on Bitcoin. This is why it moves up fast all at once and then goes sideways. Be ready. Bitcoin and the crypto markets are the future and a huge buy to me. June 30th, I said that. Looks like you'd be up on everything. I'm just saying. Crypto's the way, guys. And if you don't have it, you're missing out. You're missing out. Oh, God. GameStop is pushing up with Bitcoin, I swear. Bitcoin is helping GameStop, I swear. Look at it. Bitcoin just managed to push up above 23.15 and is now outperforming AMC. Bitcoin just popped. AMC was outperforming GameStop all day. Now Bitcoin popped. Now GameStop has the momentum. Do you see how Bitcoin can come into play with GameStop? And if the market crashes, Bitcoin I don't think will follow. It might follow in the first, depending on what it is, it might follow a little bit. But Bitcoin is the flight to safety. All of these people and companies buying it, they're going to hold it long term. They're going to hold it long term. You guys don't see what's happening. Bitcoin is becoming the standard of maintaining wealth. So if you want to stop losing value and stop getting fucked by inflation, you need to stock up on Bitcoin now. You need to stock up on Bitcoin now. If you want to stop looking at your Bitcoin, should be your savings account. Because your savings account is just getting inflated away. Even if it says $100,000, that $100,000 buys you less and less and less and less and less. If you put that $100,000 in Bitcoin, it's going to keep expanding over time. Because Bitcoin is going to be the standard for maintaining and holding value. All of the rich people are going to buy into it. Bro, you guys don't even know. You don't even know, bro. When Bitcoin's $1 million a coin, bro, you're going to be sick that you didn't buy when it was 100,000. You're going to be sick because you could have got just as rich as the people that bought when Bitcoin was like $300. You could have got just as rich. You're still early. It's still early. You should have been in back here, honestly, or back here, but you're still early to the game. You can get just as rich as the people that bought down here when Bitcoin was $100, $300. You can get just as rich as they did. You just have to put in the time. You just have to put in the time in the market because Bitcoin is going to keep going up, bruh. But you have to understand what it is. People don't understand the fixed cap aspect of Bitcoin, bro. First of all, it's decentralized. It cannot be printed by any country. You cannot create more Bitcoin. Secondly, it has a fixed cap of 21 million coins. There cannot be any more. Once all the 21 million are bought up, what do you think's going to happen? Bro, this thing's going to fucking destroy the dollar. Bro, the dollar versus Bitcoin never compared. That's why it's going to take millions and millions and millions of worthless paper dollars to get a real Bitcoin, because a Bitcoin is something that is actually, and I know that people can't understand this that maybe are older, but it's tangible value. It's what the word am I looking for? It's guaranteed value. It can't be shaken. It can't be printed like the US dollar. Can't be created. We're getting a nice pop in the close here. Last 5 minutes in the market. It has to be worked for. Proof of work. So it can't just be printed in thin air. You have to actually do something. You have to put in work to get. And they call it mining, which is genius. You actually have to mine to get BTC or buy it. You cannot just print it out of thin air. GameStop is looking lovely. I think Bitcoin is definitely helping GameStop right now. Guys, memes are about to do some shit. Bitcoin's about to do some shit. XRP. Look at Ethereum up 6%. Get ready, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any of these assets, if you have multiple of these assets, you're going to be looking really good. Which, me personally, I have crypto, AMC, GME, blah, 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 blah. We got GME pushing up right now, 2360, or 23, where are we at here? 2325 here. 2325, AMC 295, SPY 624.01. Bitcoin at 111,800, guys. 111,800, approaching new all-time highs. Bitcoin's approaching a new all-time high. I'm going to look at Bitcoin as soon as the market closes. Actually, I have a quick chance to flip to the chart. Bitcoin's going to new all-time highs. Bitcoin's about to hit a new all-time high. We're using it as resistance. We're about to break over it. Oh my God, that 115's coming. My 115's coming early, guys. Christmas is coming early, guys. Christmas is coming early. AMC pop. AMC pop. Yeah, we're looking good, guys. We're looking good. We're looking good on both. We're looking good on both. We're looking good on both. I would like to see AMC get a clean 2% day up and GME get a clean 2% day up. That's what I would like to see from both of them. They're both up about 1.90% right now. Tune in for the video, KRB. I don't like making predictions early until I got more information. AMC's up 2% right now at 296. Oh man, today is beautiful. Bitcoin's up 3%, Ethereum's up 6%. Oh my God. And then we got altcoins just popping off. ADA's up 5%. I got ADA. Algo's up 8%. What a beautiful day today. I got to figure out what's going on with Bitcoin now, because now it's kind of deviating from the fractal. So I really need to figure out what's going on and seeing if we're getting that 115 early. I got to see what's going on. But I called for 115, 125 before 2026. And the technicals were telling me Bitcoin was going to pop, but the fractal said no. But the supply shock thing, everybody's buying Bitcoin. Everybody. Every time I turn around, I see someone else getting a new Bitcoin strategic reserve. If everybody just has Bitcoin in a reserve, it's going to be like gold, but better. This shit's about to be crazy. Every company's about to have a Bitcoin strategic reserve. If you bought Bitcoin early, like $1,000, $5,000, even like $15,000, you're going to be so fucking rich if you have it still. Okay, that's it. Market is closed. 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 OG Bitcoin holders are going to be like gods. Dude, they're literally going to be gods walking around with infinite funny money because the dollar is monopoly money, and they're going to be able to change their Bitcoin in the real money at will because they have so much Bitcoin. Oh my God. Imagine having multiple Bitcoins. Once it hits, it's going to hit 1 million. Yeah, I'm telling you guys. It's going to take millions of dollars of the fucking monopoly money to get one real Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin is 21 million cap. All that inflated junk, nobody wants a US dollar. Nobody wants a dollar, that inflated paper, when you have the fucking king Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to be the gold standard. And I think maybe like Ethereum and XRP could have a place as well. Because Bitcoin isn't the fastest, but it's still faster than the SWIFT system. It's still faster than the banking system. So Bitcoin is still faster than the banking system. And it has first mover advantage. And it has the 21 million cap. And it's proof of work. I mean, shit. We got AMC at a cool 295 right now. I'm going to refresh and then give you guys the closing numbers. Today was a beautiful day, man. I love it. AMC at a cool 295. AMC at a cool 295. Or 294, 294.5. There's little half numbers because of AMC's price being so low. So it's 294 and a half is what you would say. And then we have 23.17 for GameStop, and then SPY's at 623.99. We perfectly went above the 292 and then popped the 303 exactly like I said. We still have another gap fill to the upside. Damn, we had 170. We had 170 in the building when going into close. GameStop closing above 23.15 is perfect. I'm going to be dropping a video tonight, so make sure you guys check that out. No, clip the live streams. That helps. I need clips. I need clips. Black does it sometimes. But yeah, if other people know how to do it, make sure you clip the live stream. Thank you guys for the super chats, 100 likes, and 12 brand new members, man. I appreciate y'all. No, not yet. Bitcoin hasn't hit a new all-time high yet, I don't think. Maybe on Webull, but not on TradingView. TradingView shows a higher high, I think. Or it's like the same. Maybe it's like a tiny little slither higher here on TradingView. It's a tiny little slither higher. A tiny little piece. But this is huge that we're above the 109.5, and now we're if we break this 112, I want to call it 112. If we break that and hold that, Bitcoin goes to price discovery mode, and that's where things could get crazy. The 115 price target's coming, man. The 115 price target is coming. Maybe this was the pullback, and maybe we're about to get this rally here on the fractal. Thank you, Kai Supreme, for the 10 months, bro. And always watching and always leaving a comment, man. I appreciate you. Top commenter, bro. For like so long. I appreciate it, dude. And the 10-month support. Thank you. Man, I can't believe this is a great surprise for Bitcoin. This is crazy. The XRP is at $2.41. Ethereum's at, it's a little bit behind, 2,762. Polygon is up 9%. XRP is up almost 5%. I told you guys I was setting up for a move. 16% of my portfolio would be XRP. 59% of my portfolio is BTC, and I am fine with that. I think I want to accumulate more. I want to accumulate more crypto for sure. I was hoping it was going to pull back. I was going to buy. That's the thing about crypto. You never get an opportunity to buy, man. When you see dips on crypto, you have to take advantage because they come few and far between, man. Damn it. I did pick up some more. Where was that? It was like back when it was 70K. So that had to have been way back here is when I bought my last Bitcoin. It was like 80K. So even on that, I'm up. I should have bought way more than. Always the problem with Bitcoin. You should have bought more. I should have just bought more than. I'm up even 38% on that. Always a thing with Bitcoin. So this, yeah. I mean, I saw this too. This looked bullish here. All of this. Did SPY pull back in the close? Between close and tomorrow. We have this bear flag here. All I know is if you played the Discord play, you made money. Discord play played out perfectly. So if you want to make a bag, y'all come to the Discord. Yeah, so I bought on April. I bought April 2025. So April, yeah, I bought this dip. I bought this dip on XRP and Bitcoin. I should have bought way more. I should have bought way more, bruh. I should have bought way more. Fuck. It's going to be my last chance, bro. XRP is still pretty cheap. I might have to get XRP. I want more Bitcoin, though, dude. I might have to get XRP. XRP market cap is breaking out. This is huge. XRP market cap. This is going to send XRP flying, bruh. It's going to send XRP flying. XRP market cap is now breaking out of that accumulation. Damn, XRP is still pretty cheap. Anything under 250, I mean, it's more expensive than I bought mine for way back here, 50 cents. But anything under 250 is cool. Damn, man, I should have bought way more Bitcoin. It's gonna go to like 200,000, bro. Something crazy. I'm scared. Hopefully it pulls back. I don't know. I'm scared it's just going to go to my price target and it's over. I guess I could always cash out and come back in, but... yeah, Ethereum got a nice 6. And a half. XRP up about 4% right now, 3.90. If Bitcoin can break 112, it'll go to price discovery mode and just take off. It'll be over. SPY might have to come up and fill this gap before it comes down. There's still a gap fill up here. That gap didn't get filled. NASDAQ filled its gap, but SPY did not. Also, NASDAQ didn't break down out of the rising wedge yet, so there's a very good chance that NASDAQ goes higher before pulling back, and that would take SPY higher. A pullback is coming, but it's not yet. You guys be shorting way too early. I would stop shorting SPY, especially when I call for green weeks. Not financial advice. I'm gonna reset my PC. So anybody who didn't get out in the Discord might have another chance to get out, but hopefully you guys took profit on the price target. I literally said 624. So hopefully anyone with sense would have exited here. But I had calls set up for a week. Boom, 1, 2, 3, increasing. You date them 3 weeks out. Join the Discord, guys, if you want to make money, not financial advice. That's all I can say. Results cannot be guaranteed, but it seems like most people in the Discord are being successful. That just seems to be the typical thing here. If I go to the Discord and go to this section called DZ Hall of Fame, you guys will see a bunch of money being made. This is all people in the Discord. Spy calls, Discord play. Look, basically made his money back, and you don't have to have a huge account. You can make the money no matter what type of account. Not financial advice. And then look, made his money back. Made his money back. Did a quick, easy play. Made his money back. Times what? Bro 10x'd his money. He paid 100 to get in the Discord and 10x'd his money. So he turned 100 into 1,000. He paid 100 to get in the Discord, and I guess you would need also theoretically the money to invest. So you would need like $500, and bro walked away with a rack and some change. Realized profit, $122 right there. Discord paid for. That's how you start for real. Getting them small bags first. Nice little 7% gain here. Let's see if we can't find any plays from the Discord games. $1,000% gain, or $1,000, 74% gain. Anything that you see SPY, SQQQ, GameStop, AMC, that's all Discord plays. All these SPY plays, right here, money made back, $420, boom. Realized profit. $264. 91% gain. Quick GME in and out. Any GME, SPY, AMC. We're making money off of AMC and GameStop, guys. In the Discord, we are making money off of AMC and GameStop. We're making money off SPY. This is what we do. SPY's our bitch. She gives us money, paychecks. AMC pays us. You want to make money on AMC? We got you. Ant-Man, where are you, Ant-Man? Ant-Man, where are you, bro? I haven't seen you like a month, dog. I hope you're good for real, bro. Bro made 3 bands. Look at that. Three bands. Now you wonder why I get so many super chats. Now you see. Now you see why. Now you might understand. So yeah, if you guys want to get in the Discord, man. $30 calls GME. This was 100% a Discord play. and total returns $4,000. Today's return $1,800. This was 100% a Discord play. This is one of the many reasons I'm so generous to Datazero. Maybe he's on vacation, that's all. I just hope I feel when people go missing, I worry, man. Some people I know, you know what I mean? Because you guys show up every day. Cobalt in the building. Right here, accredited to me, SQQQ, $2,500 gain, shorting the market, SQQQ. Bro, crushed it. Get in the bag. 10 bands right here. Portfolio. This is what happened to your portfolio when you join the. This is what happens. This is what happens when you join DZ Fam Discord. Your portfolio goes like this. This is what happens. You make 550% on your portfolio. This is what happens when you join DZ Fam. Okay, so this is why people hate on us. But hey, I'm just going to flex it all. I don't care. It's all live, baby. Keep hating. And we have brand new. And if you guys are in the Discord, please push your gains in the DZ Hall of Fame, which is right here in the testimony section. Please put your gains in there so we can continue to flex on our haters, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to be in the Discord, you got to hit me up on my email, DataZeroOfficial5. It's going to be linked in the comment section and description, brother. So you would go to one of my videos. All right, guys, what is up? You are back for your weekly out. Ayo fam, what is up? You are back for another video with Datazero. This is your daily
go to one of my videos.
We're going to be looking at, and you just click on it. All right, and then
now
on the live
this
stream,
is obviously bad news for the shorts,
as they recently just attacked
join my
AMC
Discord.
and GME,
Right there.
and we are now
Payments made
recovering.
by
GME, they
PayPal or
are
Cash
shorting
App.
heavily
Once you
right
make
now.
payment, I
GME
will
is
send you
very
the
undervalued
link.
in my personal opinion. They're attacking GME. They do not want GME to come up into this gap fill, because if it comes up into this gap fill, it's going to start moving very, very rapidly.
Yeah, we're
GME,
flexing
we want
on
to
them
see
every
start
day,
recovering
bro. They put me
as
on my villain
well.
art.
AMC actually
We're flexing on
outperformed
them every
GME
fucking
today,
day.
and AMC, if it's able
They
to
put
push
me
up
on my
tomorrow, could
villain
help
arc,
GME
bro.
start to get some momentum.
They put me on my villain arc, so we're flexing on them every single day. Also, we got some new merch designs. So if you guys want to support the channel in a different way, you can check out the merch store. And if you want to grab yourself some t-shirts and stuff like that. But other than that, y'all, I appreciate you guys. This was the DZ live stream for today. Tune in tomorrow. You're welcome, brother. And tune in later today for a video around 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will be doing a video around 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Members might be able to see the video a little bit earlier. If the video is available, members normally get to see the video earlier. But check the channel around 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the daily outlook and prediction, as I will be going over what I'm expecting for AMC and GME tomorrow and beyond. So, what's today? Today's Wednesday, right?
Yep, Thursday and Friday. So I will see you all then. And as always, y'all, have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out. You're welcome, Scotty. David, what up? Todd. Peace, y'all. Thank you for the 5 gifted, bro. Todd. Quick shout out to everybody for the support. Shout out Miss Rhodesman, because she did a super chat on my video. Shout out Todd, Kai Supreme, All Time High, Island of Doctor, and Meme Stock Junkies. CeeLo, peace. All Time High, peace. We out.
That's good.
I emailed you back, bro. All right, last song. I had to let it go for 3 hours. We were really close to 3 hours, so I let it ride. All right, we out. Thanks, everybody. And tune in for the video tonight. Like and subscribe on the way out. 104 likes, 12 brand new members, plus super chats. Thank you. See ya, Army.